Hey everyone, today we are welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn CSEC Chem and Physics. So today we are focusing on chemistry. We want to break up aqueous ionic compound into ions. So this is a prerequisite for us to understand what is happening when we write balanced chemical equation, when we convert balanced chemical equation into ionic equation. So here we have the first compound we're looking on is sodium carbonate aqueous. Sodium carbonate ion is made up of, so this ion is made up of two sodiums, because this two here means we have two sodium and there's nothing beside the carbonate ion, so it means we have one carbonate ion. So this two, which is a subscript, is going to turn into a coefficient, so it's going to be 2. Each sodium ion is plus, so it's 2 sodium ions aqueous plus a carbonate ion. We're going to look on the acids. So we have hydrochloric acid, which is HCl. So hydrochloric acid has only one hydrogen and one chlorine ion. So when you break up this compound into ions, we're going to get one H plus ion, one chlorine ion. Now, if we balance a chemical equation and we go ahead and put 2 in front of hydrochloric acid, we're going to have 2 times the 1 hydrogen gives us 2. Remember, the number of atom goes in front of it as a coefficient. It's going to have 2 H plus ions, and it's going to have 2 chlorine ions. All right, so we'll move on to this acid. This is sulfuric acid. Now in sulfuric acid, we're seeing 2H here, 2 after the H. This means we have 2H. So the subscript is going to turn a coefficient. So it's going to be 2H plus ions and 1. Breaks up into ion. We have 3H plus ion and 1 phosphate ion. So in this compound, the name of this compound is magnesium nitrate. We look to the bottom right of magnesium. There is only one. So the magnesium ion is Mg2 plus, and it's only one. And then we look to the bottom right of nitrate, we're seeing nitrate in brackets and a subscript 2. This means we have 2 nitrate ion. And here we have 1 Fe, and it's Fe2 plus. So it's 1 Fe2 plus ion and 2 chlorine. The 2 is going to go in front of the chlorine. And we have 1 sodium in sodium chloride and 1 chlorine in sodium chloride. So 2 multiplied by the 1 sodium ion gives us 2 sodium ion. And the 2 multiplied by the 1 chlorine ion gives us 2 chlorine ions. So the name of this compound is potassium hydrogen carbonate. It comprises of 2 ions, the potassium ion and the hydrogen carbonate ion. 2 multiplied by 1 gives me 2 potassium ion. 2 multiplied by 1 hydrogen carbonate gives me 2 hydrogen carbonate ion. The hydrogen carbonate ion is HCO3 negative. So that's the formula for the hydrogen carbonate. With this compound is ammonium hydroxide. It comprises of 2 ions, the ammonium ion, the hydroxide ion. Now this is 1 ammonium ion, 3 multiplied by the 1, although it's 4, ammonium ion is NH4. So we're going to have 3 ammonium ions, aqueous, and we have 1 OH minus ion in ammonium hydroxide. So we're going to have 3 times the 1 gives us 3 OH minus ions. Here we have lithium, 2 lithium hydroxide. So it's going to be 2 Li plus ions and 2 OH minus ions. Here we have lithium phosphate. This 3 here means we have 3 lithium ions and 1 phosphate ion. Each phosphate ion is PO4 3 minus. So this is how we break up ionic compounds into ions. Thanks for watching.